And they said to Moses, "The people are bringing much more than enough for the construction work which the Lord commanded us to perform." So Moses issued a command and a proclamation which circulated throughout the camp, saying, "Let no man or woman any longer perform work for the contributions of the sanctuary." Exodus chapter 36, verses 5 through 7. This is Toby Janicki with another Mitzvah Minute. In this week's Torah portion, the frenzy of offerings for the tabernacle that began in Parsha Terumah comes to an end. The builders approach Moses and declare that they have more than enough materials for the construction of God's house. Moses in turn issues a decree that the people should stop giving. Oh, that we as God's people, both leader and layman alike, would have this level of integrity. How easy would it have been for Moses to say nothing and store up the wealth for a rainy day. Instead, he knows that the heart of the Israelites is to build the tabernacle, and he honors this. Having integrity is sometimes a difficult thing, especially when no one is looking. It is in those times, the secret times, that the real test of a man or a woman's character takes place. Nonetheless, eventually, the Master tells us everything will come to light. For nothing is hidden